Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Heart in Hand Creations and Events. I hope that all is well and good, guys. As you see, we are jumping right into this video. And as you see, these are the supplies we'll be using. We have a Hennessy bottle, and I have a tray for the glue and a sponge brush and the glue there. We have some detail scissors and painter's tape, where you see I've already applied the tape to this bottle. And again, we have the gold glitter. So this is the setup, guys. And here you see I begin to apply the glue to the glass bottle. Be very generous, but not so generous that it will become drippy before you get a chance to put the glitter on. And then even when you put the glitter on, it'll still like drip or sag. And you don't want it to have that look. You also want to apply enough glue, because this is a big bottle, and you want to apply the glue generous enough to stay wet so that you can put the glitter on without having to go back and redo a little spot because it dried up before you can get to the glitter. Making sure that the coverage full. Now I can begin to put the glitter on. This is the fun part. And I'm being generous with the glitter also. Checking it out for spaces I might have missed. And there we have it. I'll set it to the side so it can dry. And while that dries, I'm going to do the lid or the top to the bottle, applying glitter and glue. Yep, there it is. Looks good. Okay, the bottle is dry enough for me to go ahead and remove the painter's tape. Yeah, be really careful taking off the painter's tape if you try this, because sometimes, well, what I found is the label tries to come off with the tape. And so I have to go back in the opposite direction to keep from pulling the whole label. Yeah, when I took that last piece of tape off right there, I liked the way the bottle was. It was nice and smooth, like a nice clean line around that bottle. Right here, you see me being real careful. Oh yeah, just like that. See how the label sticks up on the side? Yeah, I almost pulled it off. This is how it's looking around the bottom. I think I covered it pretty well with just one layer. Now I'm going to put the top on, pull the whole look together, but I will be applying a piece of glitter ribbon right underneath of the neck. Right underneath of the lid, because you see right here where the paper was ripped around the seal. Yeah. This is where I will be applying the glitter ribbon. There we go. I like how it just blends right in. There you have it. Now I will be putting the adhesive back pearls, silver pearls, around the edge of the label, and I will also be putting it here on the logo seal. Now I'm going to glue it in place. And I'll be doing the same thing around the labels. Here is where I finished adding the embellishments for the final look. And there we go, guys. What do you think? I decided not to put any embellishments on the back label, just the front will do for this one. I think it turned out really nice. So afterwards, guys, make sure you apply the Mod Podge acrylic spray to seal the glitter in place. And here they are, all three bottles together. Bling and Glam. I think they turned out very nice, guys. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Look at the shine and the bling. And again, guys, I think this bottle turned out beautiful. So blingy and shiny. And welcome to my new subscribers. How are you guys? I hope that all is well with everyone. And hey guys, hit that notification bell so that each time I upload another video, you will know. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to comment below. Don't forget to smash that like button. And if you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, please do. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.